Hello, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are going to be making entire world. Textures. We're going to be making textures for the chunk. Uh, so all I did was create an empty and called it world. And I'll put the texture and the link in the description. But I just put it on chunk and let's get it started. So let's get in the chunk and get to the top. Okay, so this will make sense in a minute, but world, there. And then world equals game object dot find world dot get component world. Sure it's capitalized. And there we go. Okay. So in here we're gonna change that to if y is less than 1, voxel map x, y, and z equals 0. Else if y 2 equals voxel data dot chunk height minus 1. Voxel map x, y, and z equals 3. Else voxel map x, y, and z equals 1. Okay, that's the same. Okay, we're gonna change this. Return world dot block types voxel map, and then that x, y, and z dot is solid. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna put that there. It's gonna be byte block ID equals voxel map. There int okay position dot x, and then int position dot y, comma int position dot d. Okay. Right here. Okay. So we're gonna take out the UVs and put add texture to world dot block types block ID dot get textures texture ID and then P. Okay. Okay, we're gonna make another void. It's gonna be called add texture. So we're going to make it a float y equals texture ID divided by voxel data dot. If this happens, make sure you change it. Voxel data dot texture at last size in block. So we're gonna copy this, paste it. Will be x, but this will be minus their y times, then put that there. Okay. X times equals voxel data. Sure you change it every time. Voxel data dot normalize block texture size. Same thing, but it's a y. Same thing but y. Okay. Y equals 1f minus y minus voxel data dot normalized block texture size. So I just realized the UVs dot add new vector 2 x and y. There. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna do that 3 more times. Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V. So this is gonna be plus. Okay, you can just copy, wait. Yeah, you can just copy this, paste it, take out the comma, plus it, and take that, and put comma there. So on this one, we're gonna plus it, go V, comma, and then plus it again. Okay, that's everything with the chunk, and now voxel data. There's some stuff we need to do on the top. So we're gonna put public static, read only, int, texture at last size in blocks equal that to 4. Public static float normalize block texture size. And we're gonna bring that down. Get return 1f divided by a float, and then texture at call. Sorry. Okay, so that's everything, and well, that's it for that. So save. You're gonna have errors because we're not done, and unless you have errors for that. 77. Oh, my bad. Okay. Oh, I accidentally put an R, my bad. Okay, now we're done. Okay, so now create a new script, call it world, and drag it into the world thing. Okay, if that doesn't work, add component, world, new script, and add. There we go. So now we're gonna do a lot of stuff in this one. So we're gonna take this out, take that out, put public material, then public block types. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna make a new class. It's gonna be called, actually first we're gonna do serial plus, there we go. So public class block type. Then we're gonna do public string block name. Public boolean is solid. And we're gonna make a header. Texture values. Okay. Public int backface texture. Okay. So we're gonna do that. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna change this to front. We're gonna change this one to top. We're gonna change this one to bottom. The next ones are left and right. Left and then right. Okay. I'm gonna do a public int get texture ID int base index. Okay. So we're gonna switch base index, then that. Okay, case 0. Make sure it's the 2 dots. Then return backface texture. Okay. The same thing 5 times. 3, 4, 5. Okay. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're gonna copy. Then we're gonna change all of these in order. If it's not in order, it will mess up. So make sure they're exactly in order how you made it up here. And oh, I'm messing up. Okay, top. Delete this. Bottom. Left. And then right. Okay, so we're gonna put default, then debug.log error in get texture ID invalid base index. Return 0. Okay, that's everything in that. And if there's any errors, I'll be right back after I finish. Okay, so I fixed it. So on the blocks, you had to drag the texture right here and go to unlit and then choose texture. On the blocks, change repeat the clamp, sorry, and change bilinear to point no view, and change max size from what it was to 64. Don't forget to click apply, and after that you should have this. But one more thing actually. So this is the texture numbers. Bedrock is 999999. Stone is just zeros. Grass is 227122. Make sure you make all of them is solid so it works. And don't forget to drag blocks into the material on worlds and on chunk right here. And that's it. I hope you had a good time watching this video and you go to the next one. Watch the other videos. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on the video. Never miss another one.